Well, everyone, thanks for tuning in to Custom Tactical Designs. We're going to go over the new trigger kit, the new spring tuning kit that we have. So this is actually going to be your trigger brake, and that little ledge up on top, that's your trigger brake right there. This down here does nothing. But up here, the harder that ledge is, the snappier your trigger brake is going to be. And then back here is going to be your cushioned wall, but I'll show you on the fire control. And then we have a soft, super soft spring here that's going to have a insert, and this is going to be your actual new soft trigger spring for a sub 2 pound competition trigger pull. And then this is going to be your trigger brake spring with a connector as well. And these are just going to sit inside the springs, and I'll show you how to install those on the fire control. So when you get them, you're going to have a heavier spring and a softer spring, and they're different diameters inside, so only one fits one. So the white one is going to go in and seat like that, and then the orange one, doesn't matter which side, and then you can press it on, the orange one's in. So now those are ready to go. And this is actually going to be the outer side of the trigger brake. So you've got a cushion. When you actually pull the trigger, you have your take up, your wall, your brake, and then you have all this extra cushion. You don't see it, but that's all that extra cushion right there. Instead of that, this takes up that area to where it's a solid back wall. And I'll show you. So this is what you're going to get from Ace. And I wanted to show you all this because I'm used to shooting competition pistols. And so I'm used to some really, really fine-tuned triggers from the factory. So when you get your Ace pistol remote, this is what you're going to take out of it. Once you get this, you can still pull the trigger and feel, and you can actually see the cushion right here. Once you get past it, that's all that extra cushion that you can take away by just installing this. It becomes a solid back wall. But this is just ridiculous. This is honestly, I'd get fatigued so fast on this. This feels like 5 or 6 pounds of take up and then like an 8 or 9 pound wall, honestly. Like this right here, this is a true sub 2 pound competition trigger. Okay, that's what I'm used to. All right, so we're gonna install, you don't have to install this unless you wanna fine tune your trigger brake, but I'll take a diamond file and I'll just go right over the top of this and take off that. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a couple more, but not a lot, because remember, you can always take off, you can't put back on. But I'll send probably a couple with these so you can fine tune your wall or your trigger brake. So to take this out, we're gonna punch this trigger set screw out, and the trigger is going to fall out from the bottom, and then your trigger spring is also going to fall out. Oops. Let's put all this stuff over here, except for the spring that came out of the fire control, so I can show you how that works. So this was in here, and this was in this little hole, and it sat right there. Okay. So when you pull this out, your spring is actually going to come out from in here. See it right there. And it sits either on this little dot, or on the aftermarket triggers, it sits in front of this little hook, that little hump. It sits right on the front of that little hump. And so this is your actual trigger spring. And I've never actually seen a trigger spring this big from Ace. This is ridiculous. I can't even press this. And then inside here in the top of this is going to be your trigger brake spring, and that's your trigger brake. That's how, you know. So we're going to drop this out and see what this is. Even this is heavy. That's ridiculous. So, and I'll show you what I mean. So here's my trigger brake spring and my new trigger spring. We're going to actually look at these springs and see what we're working with. So the actual trigger spring that this thing had in it is a 0.7. That's crazy. That is super stiff. That's if you want like a 7 or 8 pound trigger. Honestly, that would fatigue me with my hands from my motorcycle accident very quickly. I don't care for that. That's why I spent all the money on a competition pistol with a sub 2 pound competition trigger. Let's see what the trigger brake was at. A 0.6. So these are just really stiff springs. I don't care for them. They come in them. I've never seen one of these 0.7s. That's insane. So I just toss these away, or if anything, use like the 0.6 for the mag release. But even then, I like the 0.5s for the mag release. So I have a that's not a 0.6. Let me see. Where's the flat spot? Where is a round spot? There we go. I have 0.5. These are 0.5s for your trigger brake, and your new sub 2 pound trigger is actually a 0.4. So it's a super soft spring that we're now working with, and I'll show you how to install it. And I'll show you how to install to make it to where you don't have this cushioned wall. So you can just push this out and push this out. And this cushion and this set pin can just go to the side. And then you can press this in. And now you'll have a solid wall in there. Now we're going to go ahead and take our trigger brake spring and put it face down in here. Push it down to where it seats, because that plastic is actually supposed to just hold it in there a little easier. And now this has all the cushion it needs. It's floating consistently. It's not binding anywhere. And then you're gonna take this, and inside that hole right there, there's a little divot, and that orange cup is gonna go into that divot and seat there. And now that circle, the inside of that circle is going to go on here, and you're going to hold this trigger brake spring in as you put it in here, and I have to kind of push down on the mag spring to push this in and make sure that hole's over it, and that's it. And I hold it in here to make sure this hole lines up with my thumb, and now I'm done. Now I can test my new really light trigger. Ooh, this is nice. And I have a solid wall. See that? So thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all's time. This is the new trigger tuning spring kit for all of the pistol remotes that are designed for the fire control for ACE VR training. So thank you so much, and y'all have a great evening.